Hey everyone, want to create a Framer account? A Framer is a powerful website builder and design platform that lets you create responsive websites, landing pages, portfolios, and prototypes without extensive coding. In this full guide, I'll show you how to create a Framer account in 2026. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Framer website. You'll find the sign up option on the homepage. Next, click the Sign Up button to begin creating your account. A Framer lets you register using an email address or supported sign-in providers, depending on what's available in your region. Now enter your email address if you're signing up with email, or choose another available sign-in method. Follow the on-screen instructions and create a secure password if one is required. If Framer asks you to verify your email address, open your inbox and click the verification link. Verification helps secure your account and activates all available features. After signing in, you may be asked to answer a few onboarding questions, such as how you plan to use Framer. You can also set your name, workspace preferences, and other basic account details. Once your account is ready, click New Project or choose a template to begin building your first website. You can start with a blank canvas or customize one of Framer's ready-made templates. And that's how to create a Framer account in 2026. With your account set up, you're ready to design responsive websites, publish projects, and explore Framer's powerful design and prototyping tools. Thanks for watching.